Welcome to the Productivity series on Microsoft Excel. Let us look into statistical functions. Small and large. Let us understand small and large functions syntax and usage using this table of cricket matches and respective score of a batsman. Our objective will be to find out top and bottom three scores without disturbing the table structure of match versus score. Let's first use min and max function to fetch minimum and maximum score of the batsman. Just pass the score column within min function to get minimum score. Similarly, pass the score array within max function to get the maximum score. Now the hurdle with using min and max function is that we cannot get next smallest or largest value. Thus, to extract top three scores, we will need another function which works with arrays and can return the scores bases on ranking. To achieve this objective, we will go to Formulas tab and then click on More Functions, and then select drop-down of Statistical Functions. When we scroll down, we will find Large Function. Let's understand the syntax of large function. It's quite simple. It takes two inputs. First is the array and second is the rank of the largest value. Let's pass the array of score column in the first input. Then let's pass the cell reference for rank. There it is. We have received the same value which we had received using max function. If we drag the formula down, we get the second highest and third highest score respectively. Now let's look for small function in statistical functions list, which is the opposite of large function. It takes the same inputs like large function, the array, and the rank. Let's pass the array of score column in the first input. Then let's pass the cell reference for rank. We can see that we have received the same value of min function. If we drag the formula down, we get the second lowest and third lowest score respectively. If we further increase the range of rank to 4 and 5, we can check the respective highest and lowest scores. Thus, we have seen usage of small and large function to extract smallest or largest value from an array by rank or position. To further power these functions, we can use them along with sequence function. Sequence function returns a sequence of numbers with the step provided by us. Let's see the syntax of sequence function. Sequence function takes four inputs: number of rows, number of columns, starting value, and step to increase the value. Here we have passed 10 as number of rows, 1 as no of columns, 1 as the starting value, and step value as 1. Thus, we could generate a sequence of numbers using sequence function. This can be passed into the large function in place of rank to get the array of top scores. Let's see. Within large function, pass the array of score. Then type the sequence function in the second input. Thus, we have achieved the objective of top scores without explicitly mentioning the ranks using sequence function. Let's use this method to extract the 15 lowest scores ordered in descending order using the small and sequence function. Pass the score array into small function, then pass the sequence function for 15 rows. By default, column is 1 if missed, starting number 1 and step 1. Thus, we use small and large functions to get the list of highest and lowest scores. Also, how we can pass sequence function as input to small and large function to implicitly achieve the objective. Happy learning!